What's up everyone? In this video, we are going to unbox and review both the Monos Carry-On and the Monos Carry-On Pro. Which one is right for you? I actually bought one of these and didn't like it, so I bought the other one and figured I would do a comparison before deciding which one to keep and which one to return. The wheels of my old suitcase don't really work anymore, so once I decide which one I prefer, it will become my everyday travel suitcase. Let's get into the video. Let's start with the Carry-On Pro. I'll go over both suitcases before discussing the pros and cons and telling you which one I decided to keep. Both of these suitcases are the standard international carry-on size, which is accepted by most major airlines around the world. They typically come in a few standard colors: black, white, gray, navy blue, light pink, and some limited edition colors as well: burgundy, yellow, mint green, and bright pink. What differentiates the Carry-On Pro and the regular carry-on is the front pocket. It's made to fit a tablet or laptop up to 16 inches and any other small items. I think the idea is that ideally this pocket could fit the items that you'd normally put into a knapsack, and you could potentially reduce the total number of bags that you carry. It comes with a laundry bag and also a leather label where you can write your name and contact details. There's storage space on both sides. It also comes with 3 smaller laundry or packing bags that can be used to pack clothing or any other items. The area on the right side has a thin mesh compartment and it has compression straps. When that side is full, the compression straps can be used to press everything down tightly, which generates a bit more space in the suitcase. This would allow the suitcase to be closed more easily. Now onto the front pocket. As mentioned, it has a laptop sleeve and a few other pockets. I tested it out here by putting in my iPad Pro, which is 10.9 inches. It fit pretty well, so it could definitely fit a bigger laptop or tablet. I did find the zippers on the front pocket to be a bit difficult to manipulate, but all in all, it opens and closes pretty readily. Next up is the regular carry-on suitcase. This cloth bag that's provided with each suitcase can be used as the laundry bag, and Monos also says that it can be used to protect the suitcase from scratches if it needed to be checked in. The inside of this suitcase is organized identical to the other one, with the mesh pocket and compression straps on the one side. The other side has a similar zippered mesh closure pocket and open storage space underneath. It also comes with 3 drawstring bags and a leather label. My favorite features that both suitcases have: number 1, I really like the integrated TSA locks for the zippers. This system is handy because it means you don't have to carry a separate travel suitcase lock. The code can be set to any 3-digit number combination. Number 2, I also really like the side handles, which make it convenient to carry the suitcases horizontally. Not all suitcases have this. Number 3, the wheels are great. They roll awesome on carpet and would be stable and speedy on hard floors. The handle is a typical telescopic suitcase handle. It feels sturdy and it has 2 levels of extension. I really like that the button to extend the handle is on the bottom so it cannot accidentally get pushed. The outer shell is made of dent-resistant, impact-friendly polycarbonate. Seems pretty durable. Next is the moment you've all been waiting for, which is to talk about the pros and cons, and which suitcase was my favorite. To be honest, I'll count all of the common features as pros. Both suitcases are well designed, and I appreciated the addition of laundry bags, mesh pockets, and compression straps. I only had one issue, and it was with the Carry-On Pro. The Carry-On Pro's distinguishing feature ended up being its downfall, for me at least. The problem was, you guessed it, the limited space on the side of the suitcase caused by the front pocket. I originally bought this suitcase first, and I didn't think it was going to be a big deal. I read the reviews, and some people said that the front pocket was perfect, super useful, and added a lot of value, so I didn't really think it would take up so much room. But after receiving the suitcase, I felt the space was just so tiny inside. There really isn't much left on that side to put clothes, and that's the main clothing compartment. On the Monos website, it shows that the Carry-On Pro storage capacity is 36 liters, while the carry-on, the one without the front pocket, has a capacity of 39.9 liters. So the front pocket essentially takes up 3.9 liters of storage space, which is actually quite a bit. In addition to this, after putting a tablet or laptop into the front pocket, because the back and the front of the front pocket are hard plastic, it would be difficult to cram much else inside there. As someone who avoids checking in bags at all costs, I usually travel only with one carry-on, so maximizing space is a priority. Alright, after analyzing all the pros and all the cons of both suitcases, I have made my decision. I'm going to go with the regular carry-on. The carry-on Pro is cool, however, I don't think I would use that front pocket to its full capacity, and it seems to take away from the overall size of the inside of the suitcase. So I'm going to go with the carry-on. I'm going to return the carry-on Pro, but it was great to get to review both of these. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button underneath the video. And while you're at it, you can give me a thumbs up as well.